Moving ahead, we have our next power-packed keynote presentation themed as AI in Building Smart Homes. Dear participants, please allow me to introduce our eminent keynote speaker, Dr. Ashraf Nouri. Dr. Ashraf is the founder and CEO of Smart Citizens DMCC Dubai. Ashraf, we welcome you and request you to take over the stage for your keynote presentation.
Thank you very much, Ms. Bridget, and thank you very much for everyone. And this is my pleasure to join you today in this session. Let me share my screen if you allow me. Okay. So today I'm going to talk about the modernizing and driving innovation in private and public sectors to enhance or to have a better life for every citizens. My name is, I am a Dr. Ashraf. I am the founder and the CEO of the Smart Citizens. I do have 20 years of experience in information technology. I hold PhD in computer science and artificial intelligence. Holds as well master's degree in information technology from Wollongong University and bachelor degree in computer science. So for the agenda for today, I'm going to talk about the smart home systems, the AI in smart home or in smart living, the cloud-based services in a nutshell in smart living, which one is better, wireless or wired, what are the applications of the smart living, the benefits and the scenarios and use cases. So, so here, let's say, let's talk about the smart living system. So everyone knows that smart living systems or smart workplace systems consists of integrated smart systems with things. Okay, so the things are connected all together because it's Internet of Things. So the internal network with the cloud as well. So all components are integrated, connected with a hub inside home, so that we can trigger actions. So whatever component is triggered, we can let others to make actions or immediate actions. So in the previous panel, there were talk about the AI, and the AI is crucial here in building a smart home livings. Why? Because we need the systems to learn about the behaviors of the users. So for example, here it says that if I'm going everywhere out at 8, why not the systems at home to turn off everything at 8, let's say. This is an example. So the features here of AI is to analyze the users' behaviors of homeowners, home livings, or the spaces, and take actions accordingly. Not necessarily here to have the actions, but the proper actions. Because here in AI or the machine learning, there is a historical data of the user behaviors or the device's behaviors. So if a device is turned on or off in a particular timing, so which means that this is the behavior and this is what we need to be conducted. So let's go quickly about the features. It's a threat analysis, facial recognition, and the smart home integration. All are depending on or uses the AI. Okay, for the preventing intrusions by identifying identities of the users. AI-powered machines can easily recognize objects with the face, biometric, etc. Let's talk about the cloud-based services in smart living. As you know, now smart homes or smart livings are connected with many voice command systems like Google, like Amazon, etc. So we can send commands to device from the clouds, report state for devices to the cloud, detect when devices are offline, so from remotely, so from our offices, we can have one dashboard app that shows us the status of everything, of all devices, whether connected, not connected. And this is very important because it's not necessarily to have everything or in your home connected, but it's necessarily to have it connected when you need it. So imagine that you have it 24 hours, the cameras are working, okay? But suddenly when the intrusion happened, at that time, the camera wasn't connected, and this is a problem. So there are many asking about wireless or wired, smart homes, wireless, smart, which one is better? We can say that both are applicable. Like there are systems with the smart homes that has systems that have DP, you know, the distribution board. Okay, wired, everything is wired. And the newer versions or the disruptive version or the disruptive technology in this topic is the wireless. So that we can connect everything wirelessly. To be honest with you, we have more than 85% of the devices or of the things that are connected wirelessly. So we have the Smart Hub gateway. Could be even that gateway could be wirelessly connected to your internet network. So it's just the power with the mini USB, and this small hub is connected to the router wirelessly. Of course, there is a debate. People say wired from the effectiveness and efficiency is better than wireless. Yes, but it depends on the space and the number of devices that the people are using. So the smart home systems allow the user to manage all electronic devices in the house using one smart app. So both are applicable, depends on the situation. If too many devices, we can go with, and scattered, big house, we can go with wired. Small, medium sizes, we can go with the wireless. Homes aren't made for bricks and tiles. They must be green, energy efficient, smart as well. So everything should learn on their own. So the lights, the thermostats should learn on their own. The applications of the smart living. We do have the temperature setups. We do have the music environment, the speakers. We do have the lights in the environment. For example, I'm gonna give you this recently implemented here. We can have like orange lights for the morning time. We can have at evening time just to let the kids have their dinner and go sleep. We can have just we can dim the lights and have it like warm lights, and then red lights, and then turn off the lights at 10 p.m. so that the kids can know when to go and where. We can agree on that. So these are all use cases. Running of your oven or coffee machines in the kitchen is a great example. Imagine that morning time you wake up. So when the sun rises, automatically the curtains will open, the AC will turn off, the coffee machine will turn on, etc. There are many routines that you can do. The garden watering operations, this is a great application that rather than having a timer or scheduling the watering of your plant, you can let the plant or the palm tree or the tree ask the system to water or feed them. And this is now it's available. So rather than watering the plant twice in a rainy day, we can save the water and the imperial gallons in that. Turning on the desired channels, TV, door locks, activating alarm systems, and the smart and the home appliances like a refrigerator, etc. In these cases, we can increase the efficiency of these electrical devices. So in the last 3 minutes, we can say home is a place to rest, real comfort, light to live, smart and simple. Now we hear from our customers that they want to go with smart. We ask them why smart. They say because because we want to be smart. So this is the dilemma. But people talk about many things about the smart. Yes, smart makes the home comfortable, the workplace much comfortable by having everything, but by learning from themselves, like the thermostats, the lights, etc. So the benefits, if these numbers or these percentages are from our reports, 31% of the average reduction in electricity consumption after implementing the smart workplace or smart living, 27% reduction in water consumption by having water leakage sensors, 45%, and this is big number, mitigating intruders incidents by having the cameras outside. They have the motion detection. So once the camera detects some intruders after, let's say, 9 p.m., automatically the door will be locked, curtains will be closed, lights will be on, will be turned on, and the footage of 10 seconds will be sent to the homeowner. So with all these activities, of course, no one will be there, even the intruder. So this is a great example. Management of appliances and systems like lighting, heating, etc. The safety, the energy efficiency of the smart devices, important, and increasing the effectiveness of the home appliances, as we said. And let's go with the last subject of the scenarios. With one button, let's say travel button. So you're traveling. With one button, you can ensure that you're turning off all the electricity, the water, the cameras are on, the sensors are on. So with one click, you can do and you can perform all these. The second scenario, second and last scenario, which I talked about, is the security. So security, this is very important subject in smart homes, and one of the main concerns with homeowners. So the current cameras only detect, and after the intrusion happens, we go to the service center, to the server room, and we check the tapes and we report them back. No, here the competitiveness is to take immediate actions immediately by locking the doors. As I said, we can have the security when the homeowner is outside, let's say traveling outside. So we can create a routine saying that at night or evening time, the light will be on for 5 minutes, the curtains will be opened for 5 to 10 minutes to pretend that someone is at home. So these are the scenarios. Smart, not only for the lights or the thermostats, everything can be made smart, as I said, to make your life simple and comfortable. We in Dubai, we base in Dubai Smart Citizens. We build our products based on the innovation and the creativity. We always look at scenarios and business cases from the customer's perspective, not from business perspective. We always look forward for coming with innovative things that would make a breakthrough. And that's it. Thank you very much. And the mic with you, Bridget. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Ashraf, for your informative keynote presentation on AI in building smart homes. And thank you for your impeccable knowledge sharing and time. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you.